Okay, I'm back. Here's what I do in the close. Let me give you some ideas. So one is I have a professionally done banner. I'm using testimonials again, right off the I use a very strong one. So now I explain what happens on the weekend, Friday night, and then I'm going through some of the pain points, like what are they, what's going on in their mind. I know what these are. Again, another testimonial. I explain what happens. More testimonials to back up. If you look at the content, the content of the testimonials building my point. So again, I use video and audio and written text. Okay, so now I'm talking about the campaign. I'm talking about everything. So now here's what the offer is. Now they'll all have an order form, so they can follow along on what they get. So now I have bonuses. This is for the option one. It sells for a couple of grand. If you're watching this, by the way, and you haven't heard my offer, just go to publishabookseminar.com, publishabookseminar.com, and you'll see the video there on how I sell this. So I offer a free travel voucher. I offer a free covers. That's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, I offer unlimited coaching. Bonus number 4, second ticket. And then I talk about these documents that people get. That's bonus number, 4 or 5? And then the final one is this one. Now, a very important testimonial. It's short and it's to the point.
Whatever it cost me to actually set this up.
He says
So the cost is, it costs you more money to not do this.
So he's talking about, the value of the cost. Now I talk about investment. So I make the offer here in writing what option 1 is. I put the price in it, and then I start highlighting the bonuses. So they have a visual reminder of what the bonuses are. Okay, that's option 1. Then I price a ridiculously low price for option 2. Now the bonuses go away, but they get option 2, which is the seminar or the home study course. Now I have a money-back guarantee. Every offer you make, especially in the seminar business, needs to have a money-back guarantee. And then I've talked throughout my talk, I've talked about an ethical bribe. So I've told them sort of the principle, and now I'm showing them my ethical bribe. So I say that first you have to have a limited supply. So I'm telling the audience there's only 20 people that this applies to. If they buy the 387 program, I'm going to also include unlimited email coaching. I say urgent, I create urgency. And then I have a specific call to action. What do I want them to do as a result? So I tell them it's only $387. Now I have a second bribe where I take people up to my suite and I get them going right away in the class. So that's just a special bonus because I'm here in Australia. Then I reiterate my ethical bribe and I reinforce the call to action. And I hope that you found those tips helpful on how I close, and I'm able to hit 20-25% closing ratio pretty consistently.